Kimberly D. Boas' story is one of determination, passion, and the power of dreams. The 18-year-old beauty queen from Curacao has captured the hearts of her nation and is now set to represent her country on the global stage at the Miss Universe 2024 pageant in Mexico this November. This detailed narrative chronicles her journey from humble beginnings to becoming Miss Universe Curacao 2024 and the aspirations she holds for her future and her country. Thank you for joining us on Kimberly D. Boas' inspiring journey to becoming Miss Universe Curacao 2024. If you enjoyed this story and want to follow her exciting path to the Miss Universe 2024 pageant, make sure to like and subscribe. Stay updated with the latest news, behind-the-scenes glimpses, and exclusive content as Kimberly prepares to represent Curacao on the global stage. Your support means the world to us. Let's continue this journey together. Born and raised in Willemstad, Curacao, Kimberly D. Boas grew up in a loving and supportive environment. Her parents, both educators, instilled in her the values of hard work, integrity, and the importance of education. From a young age, Kimberly was drawn to the arts. She spent countless hours painting and drawing, finding solace and expression in her artwork. Her creativity wasn't limited to the canvas. She also excelled in school, particularly in subjects that required critical thinking and problem solving. Despite her artistic inclinations, Kimberly always harbored the dream of stepping onto the beauty pageant stage. Inspired by the elegance and poise of past Miss Universe contestants, she envisioned herself representing Curacao and bringing the beauty and culture of her island to the world. This dream, however, was not without its challenges. In a society where traditional career paths are often favored, Kimberly faced skepticism and doubt about her aspirations. Yet, she remained undeterred, driven by a passion that was deeply rooted in her heart. Kimberly's journey to the Miss Universe Curacao crown began with small but significant steps. She participated in local beauty contests, where she honed her skills in public speaking, modeling, and stage presence. Each competition was a learning experience, teaching her valuable lessons about resilience, humility, and the importance of staying true to oneself. In 2023, Kimberly decided to take a bold step and enter the Miss Universe Curacao pageant. The competition was fierce, with 9 other contestants, each bringing their unique talents and stories. The pageant, held at the luxurious Sandals Royal Curacao in Willemstad, was a grand affair, drawing audiences from across the island and beyond. The event was not just a display of beauty, but a celebration of intelligence, cultural heritage, and humanitarian values. The pageant night was a dazzling spectacle. It opened with a traditional dance, a vibrant display of Curacao's rich cultural heritage. The contestants, dressed in colorful costumes, performed with grace and energy, setting the tone for an evening of elegance and excitement. Each round of the competition showcased different aspects of the contestants' personalities and talents. In the swimwear round, the contestants walked the stage in identical bikinis, each paired with a gold pareo. This round emphasized confidence and physical fitness, and Kimberly stood out with her poised walk and radiant smile. The evening gown segment was a highlight of the night, as the contestants appeared in stunning gowns, glittering under the stage lights. Kimberly's choice of a flowing, emerald green gown symbolized her connection to nature and her island's lush landscapes. The Kande segment was perhaps the most critical part of the competition. It tested the contestants' ability to think on their feet and articulate their thoughts clearly. Kimberly impressed the judges with her eloquence and thoughtfulness, addressing questions about social issues, environmental conservation, and her vision for the future. Her answers reflected her deep understanding of the world and her commitment to making a positive impact. As the night drew to a close, the tension in the air was palpable. The judges had the challenging task of narrowing down the contestants to the top 5: Ryan Busropan, Kimberly D. Boa, Jesmlees Zink Angelista, Melaine Simon, and Alice Van Inenam. From this group, the top 3 were selected: Kimberly, Jesmlees, and Melaine. The final moments were a blur of anticipation and excitement. When Kimberly's name was announced as the winner, the audience erupted in applause and cheers. Kimberly was crowned by the previous year's winner, Kim Rawson, a moment that symbolized the passing of the torch. As the crown was placed on her head, Kimberly was overwhelmed with emotion. In her acceptance speech, she expressed her gratitude and excitement. "I am beyond thrilled and humbled to see my dream turn into reality. This incredible journey has been filled with challenges, growth, and unwavering support from all of you. I am deeply thankful for the encouragement and love that have propelled me to this moment." A role model and advocate. Kimberly D. Boa is more than just a beauty queen. She is an artist, a painter, and a passionate advocate for mental health. Throughout her journey, she has been actively involved in various philanthropic endeavors, focusing on raising awareness about mental health issues and supporting local art initiatives. Her dedication to these causes has endeared her to many, making her a role model for young people in Curacao and beyond. One of Kimberly's significant contributions has been her work with mental health organizations. She has shared her own experiences with anxiety and stress, using her platform to break the stigma surrounding mental health. Her honesty and vulnerability have inspired many to seek help and support, fostering a community of understanding and compassion. Preparation for Miss Universe 2024. As Miss Universe Curacao 2024, Kimberly now faces the exciting challenge of preparing for the International Miss Universe pageant. The road ahead is demanding, requiring rigorous training in various areas, including public speaking, fitness, and cultural representation. Kimberly approaches this preparation with the same determination and passion that have characterized her journey so far. She is working closely with a team of experts, including coaches, stylists, and mentors, to refine her skills and enhance her stage presence. Her training regimen includes intensive workouts, speech and diction classes, and sessions on international etiquette and cultural awareness. Kimberly is also focusing on her philanthropic initiatives, planning to highlight the importance of mental health on the global stage. Curacao's legacy in Miss Universe. Curacao has a storied history in the Miss Universe pageant, with notable achievements that have put the island on the global map. The island's highest placement was in 1968, when Annemarie Braafheid was named first runner-up. More recently, in 2022, Gabriela dos Santos made it to the top 5, showcasing the island's consistent presence in the competition. Kimberly D. Boa's victory adds to this legacy, and she is determined to bring home the Miss Universe crown for the first time. Her journey is not just about personal achievement, it is about representing the hopes and dreams of her nation. She carries with her the pride of Curacao and the support of her fellow Curacaans. The impact of beauty pageants. Beauty pageants like Miss Universe have often been viewed through a lens of glamour and superficiality. However, they also offer a platform for young women to voice their opinions, advocate for causes they believe in, and inspire others. Kimberly D. Boa exemplifies this potential. Her story is a testament to the transformative power of beauty pageants, showcasing how they can empower individuals and create positive change. Kimberly's journey from a young girl with a dream to Miss Universe Curacao 2024 is a source of inspiration for many. She has shown that with hard work, perseverance, and a strong support system, dreams can become reality. Her message to young people is clear: pursue your dreams with passion and determination. Believe in yourself and never let doubt or fear hold you back. Her story resonates particularly with young girls in Curacao who see in her a reflection of their own aspirations. Kimberly's success demonstrates that beauty and intelligence are not mutually exclusive, and that young women can excel in any field they choose. Looking ahead, Kimberly D. Bowe's future is filled with promise and potential. As she prepares for the Miss Universe 2024 pageant, she remains grounded and focused on her goals. Her journey is far from over, and she continues to work tirelessly to bring honor to her country and inspire those around her. Kimberly's long-term vision includes furthering her education, expanding her artistic endeavors, and continuing her advocacy for mental health. She plans to use her platform to promote awareness and support for mental health initiatives, both in Curacao and internationally. Her commitment to making a positive impact in her community and beyond is unwavering. Kimberly D. Bowe's journey to becoming Miss Universe Curacao 2024 is a story of resilience, passion, and the power of dreams. From her early years as a budding artist to her crowning moment on the pageant stage, she has demonstrated what it means to pursue one's aspirations with dedication and heart. As she prepares to represent Curacao at the Miss Universe 2024 pageant in Mexico, Kimberly carries with her the hopes and dreams of her nation. Her story is a reminder that beauty pageants are more than just competitions, they are platforms for empowerment and change. Kimberly D. Bowe is not just a beauty queen, she is a role model, an advocate, and a beacon of hope for many. Her journey continues to inspire and uplift, proving that with the right mix of passion, perseverance, and support, anything is possible.